Good morning and happy spring. I'm student meteorologist Christy Ruel here with your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast for today, March 20th, as we start off spring. But here in central Pennsylvania, it sure doesn't feel much like spring. Today's headlines in the world of weather: we will have some sun at times today, but it's going to be a chilly start to spring. But looking ahead to the weekend at least, we will see a few more milder temperatures heading into our forecast. As we take a look out live at the Arboretum here at Penn State campus, you can see the remains of that snow that we got earlier this week, and it definitely doesn't look like spring at all out there with all that snow blanketing the ground. If we bring up our live conditions, we can see that temperatures right now are sitting at 27 degrees, and with winds out of the west at 16, it feels more like 14 degrees, so definitely grab that coat as you head out to class. Just because it's spring doesn't mean you get to wear those flip-flops yet, unfortunately. Talking about how unseasonably cold today is, we can see that today's high is only going to be around 35 degrees, even though our average for this time of year should be around 46. So we are definitely below average. That 74 for the record would be a nice start to spring, but we aren't that lucky this year. So if we look at our Doppler radar out there right now, we can see we have some snow showers across the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, especially here in the central Pennsylvania area and up around the lakes as well, but nothing too significant, and much of that isn't even reaching the ground, so just a bit of a nuisance out there this morning. If we look at our temperatures, we can see those chilly temperatures. State College sitting at 27 degrees, and much of western Pennsylvania is in the mid to upper 20s. A bit chillier up in Bradford where it's just 21. Back across to the eastern side of the state though, we see Williamsport sitting at 30, Harrisburg at 33, and Philadelphia as well down at 33. So the eastern half of the state is a bit warmer, but that's typical. So now, taking a look at the rest of the country, you can see all of this cold Canadian air in this trough that's dipping down into most of the U.S., bringing us all chilly temperatures for this first day of spring. Corpus Christi, though, sitting still nicely at 71 degrees, but even places like Charleston, it's 49, Roanoke is 34, and a chilly 3 degrees up in Bismarck, North Dakota. So for much of the U.S., it does not look like springtime, even though today does officially start spring. So the other big story here in central Pennsylvania will be the winds today. Our current gusts here in State College are at 23 miles per hour, and Franklin's at 22 as well. So you will want to definitely bundle up, because between those cold temperatures and these wind gusts, it's going to be a bit chilly out there this morning. The winds, though, as we move through the day, will begin to die down later. They will stay up in the teens for most of the afternoon, but then this evening, you can see by around 10 o'clock tonight, Williamsport only has around a 5-mile-an-hour wind, State College at 6. A bit breezier up around Erie with 14 miles an hour, but for the most part, winds in the state of Pennsylvania will be calming down this evening and staying calm through the overnight hours. Taking a look at our eye on the future, there isn't much going on, just some few pesky snow showers coming off the system that's sitting up in Canada, bringing us some clouds and just a few snow showers. No significant accumulation, just enough to remind you of winter, even though it is spring now. Those light snow showers will continue into Thursday and through Thursday evening, and nothing too major happens between now and Friday, and with the weekend approaching, just a bit of clearing on Friday at least into Saturday morning for Pennsylvania. So if we take a look at conditions for today here in State College, we will see that we should have temperatures sitting around 35 degrees for our high today, with partly sunny skies and a few snow showers, so maybe a bit of sunshine to make you think of spring. As we head into this evening, we will see another chance for a snow shower, cooling off though to around 16 degrees, so it will be quite chilly tonight. You will definitely want your coat if you are taking a walk this evening around campus or around town. For tomorrow, once again, chilly temperatures will be the big story. We will only see a high of around 32 degrees with more partly sunny skies with a chance of flurries. For our 7-day forecast, we will see that for now, much of the same. Clouds, flurries, and a bit of sunshine. But as we head into the end of the week and into the weekend, we do see the temperatures warm up a bit to around 40 degrees and clearing conditions for at least on Saturday. But then as we head into the start of next week, we see the next system moving in, bringing us another chance of wintry precipitation on Monday and Tuesday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Christy Ruel. Happy spring!